What's going on, vlog world? I know it's been a while and I'm doing my best to make the vlogs come back. I'm trying. So tomorrow me and Alante will be in Santo Domingo, the Dominican Republic, for my birthday trip. We'll be there for 8 days. I'm really excited about that. So the flight is in probably about 5 hours from now. Or we gotta be at the airport in about 5 hours from now. Also, I got in an accident a couple hours ago. So I'm really kinda, you know what I mean? I was kinda really annoyed by it, but then I started thinking like life is not about the materialistic things. It's about the memories, it's about love, and it's ultimately about God to me. So I'm not really worried about it, you know what I mean? Stuff can be replaced. It's about the memories. And it's about the love. Airport, no. Alright, we just got to the Dominican Republic. We're going in the customs lines. Just got off the plane. Nice flight, nice. Yo, but
I got on too much clothes out here coming from Michigan. It's too hot. I gotta take some of these clothes off, throw on my shorts.
What's up, brother?
Dog, it's hot.
Yo, don't go to a country where you cannot understand the language. It's very difficult. Very difficult to understand the language. It's like almost nobody cannot understand English here. Almost nobody. But we're on our way to the hotel. It's about half hour from the airport.
But they got air in this car. Look at him. He's like,
just stopped.
I said no.
Exchanged some currency. Got some beers. On our way to the hotel now. On our way to the hotel now. So far in the Dominican Republic, it's been just amazing sights. I feel like I'm in a Spanish version of Jamaica, for real. Our driver is lit. So that is a historical landmark. Alright, so we just stopped outside the car, some picture place. I don't know what this is. And he was telling us the boat over there, the boat in the background. He was telling us the boat in the background over there, it goes to Puerto Rico or something like that. So it's kind of cool. That boat, they go to Puerto Rico. Alante want to take pictures and stuff. Who does this guy think he is, vlog? We just arrived to the hotel. The trip here was amazing. It was Spanish Jamaica. That's what this reminds me of. Real talk, Spanish Jamaica. Right across from the water, Catalonia. Yeah.
Mama, see you, Ty. Nice with the boat.
It's your body nice. Hello. Hola. We just got to the room. Just got to look at this view. Come on. Come on. Ocean view. Alright, so far Santo Domingo has been incredible. It's lit. Okay, it is lit. From the airport to the hotel, it was lit. Our driver, amazing. The dude that just brought our bags in, amazing. The hotel is amazing. Alright? And we're gonna be here for 8 days. So yeah, 8 days of fun. And it's crazy because you know, all I'm gonna say is God work in mysterious ways.